I will be sharing some vocabulary terms related to the topic business English. Sorry. Number one is deadline, meaning a specific date or time by which a task or project must be completed. Example, we need to finish the report by Friday. That's the deadline. The next is sales pitch, a persuasive speech or presentation given to potential customers in order to sell a product or service. For example, I practice my sales pitch all weekend to make sure I can persuade the client to sign the contract. The next vocabulary term is ROI, which means return on investment, which example is a measurement of the profit or loss generated by an investment. The next term is cost effective, which means producing the desirable result at the reasonable cost or expense. Example, we need to find a more cost effective solution to this problem. We can't afford to spend too much money. The next is stakeholder, which means a person or group who has an interest or concern in a business or organization. Example, we need to consult with all the stakeholders before making a decision that will affect the company's future. The next term is KPI, which means key performance indicator, a measurable value that indicates how well a business is achieving its goal. Example, our KPI for this quarter is to increase our customer satisfaction rating by 10%. The next term is overhead, which means the ongoing expenses of a business that are not directly related to producing goods or services. Example, we need to reduce our overhead costs in order to increase our profits. The next term is networking, which means process of making connections and building relationships with the people who can help advance your career or business. Example, attending industry events is a great way to network with potential clients and partners. The next term is cash flow, which means amount of money coming in and going out of a business for over a period of time. Example, we need to improve our cash flow in order to keep the business running smoothly. The next term is B2B, which is business to business. It means refers to commerce transactions between businesses rather than between businesses and individual consumers. For example, our company specializes in B2B sales. We rarely deal with individual customers. Next term is deliverable, which means a tangible or intangible item that is produced or delivered as a result of a project. Example, the final deliverable for this project is a comprehensive report outlining our findings and recommendations. The next term is turnover, which means the rate at which employees leave a company and are replaced by new hires. Example, our company has a high turnover rate. We need to find ways to improve employee satisfaction and retention. The next term is value proposition, which means a statement that explains the unique benefits and value that a product or service offers to customers. Example, our value proposition is that our product is eco-friendly, affordable, and high quality. The next term is benchmark, which means a standard or point of reference used for comparison or measurement. Example, we need to benchmark our sales performance against our competitors in order to identify areas for improvement. The next term is break-even, the point at which a business's revenue is equal to its expenses, resulting in zero profit or loss. For example, we need to increase sales in order to break even and start making a profit.